Welcome to my channel Ashfaq Biology. MCQs 1. The plants mostly use the nutrients in large amount for their survival. Option A. Micro, B. Trace, C. Both A and B, D. Macro. Correct option is D. Macro. The NADPH form in bacterial photosynthetic photosystem. Option A. PS1, B. PS2, C. PS3, D. Both A and B. Correct option is A. PS1. Photophosphorylation in bacteria is option A. Non-cyclic, B. Z-scheme, C. Cyclic, D. None. Correct option is C. Cyclic. The smallest bacteria included in class of bacteria. Option A. Epsilon, B. Delta, C. Proteo, D. Mycoplasma. Correct option is D. Mycoplasma. The prokaryotes are option A. Multicellular, B. Unicellular, C. Both and B, D. None. Correct option is C. Both A and B. Bacterial chromosome is option A. Single, B. Circular, C. Mostly DNA, D. All. Correct option is D. All. The kidney is protected by a membrane. Option A. Peritoneum, B. Periosteum, C. Pericardium, D. All. Correct option is A. Peritoneum. The perforation plates are absent in xylem component. Option A. Vessel, B. Tracheids, C. Companion, D. Sieve tube. Correct option is tracheids. In Nepenthes carnivorous plant, the hairs are in position on the wall. Option A. Upward, B. Horizontal, C. Downward, D. Vertical. Correct option is C. Downward. The lignified walls of tracheids are dash then sieve tube. Option A. Thin, B. Thick, C. Equal, D. All. Correct option is B. Thick. The myelin sheath above dendrites will be option A. Thick, B. Thin, C. Very thick, D. None. Correct option is D. None. At threshold stimulus, the voltage change occurs from polarized to depolarized state. Option A. 20 MV, B. 10 MV, C. 30 MV, D. 50 MV. Correct option is A. 20 MV. The Schwann's cells are separated by gaps and axons. Option A, cleft. B, synapses. C, synapses. D, Ranvier node. Correct option is D. For HHB formation, the H plus ion provided by dash during carbon dioxide transportation. Option A, sodium bicarbonate. B, H2O. C, H2CO3. D, all. Correct option is C, H2CO3. The vocal cords will be present in part of larynx. Option A, glottis. B, supraglottis. C, valgus. D, subglottis. Correct option is A, glottis. The air volume or distribution is controlled by air passageway. Option A, bronchus. B, trachea. C, bronchioles. D, alveoli. Correct option is C, bronchioles. The H2CO3 is formed in tissue when PCO2 is option A, low. B, high. C, moderate. D, very low. Correct option is B, high. 80% water and other important substances reabsorb in part of nephron. Option A, proximal tubule. B, Henle loop. C, distal tubule. D, collecting tubule. Correct option is A, proximal tubule. A urine collecting cavity inside the kidney is option A, hilus. B, ureter. C, pelvis. D, Henle. Correct option is C, pelvis. The marine osmoregulators excrete divalents, calcium, magnesium, etc. by A, skin. B, gills. C, lungs. D, kidneys. Correct option is D, kidneys.